upper radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Peterborough, Antrim, Greenfield, Hancock, Bennington, Harrisville, Nelson and Stoddard. Runoff will cause rapid rises along Hossley, Moose, and Davis Brook, draining into the Contoocook River.